The cat sat on the mat. The cat was blue, and he had a bat. The dog was cozy in a nest of blue. His name was Pablo, and he was new. The hen was in her hen house, laying eggs to sell at market. The egg was on the wall, trying hard not to fall. And the goose, whose name was Goldie, had bloomed into the most beautiful goose of all. The cat, the dog, the hen, the egg, and the goose were treasured members of our Tiny Sparkles fam. And now that this tale has been told, it's time for some bread, butter, and jam.